How to add the voice recorder widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on Widgets. Next, scroll down, and in here, tap on Voice Recorder, and then drag on the widget. So select a widget size. There are 3 different widget sizes in here: small one, medium, and a large one. So drag on the widget and then drop onto your home screen, and then let go. Here, if you want to quickly start the recording, you can just tap on it, and it will start your recording immediately, directly from the home screen. You can pause, you can resume, or you can stop the recording. And that's it. To remove the widget, simply touch and hold, then tap on remove. You can go into settings to change the shape of the widget. And you can also change the background color. Then tap on saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.